Hi, my name is Manya, and this video provides a overview of my communication training and development project. I'll walk through the organization, the assessment process, the communication problem I identified, and most importantly, the training solution I developed to address it. For this project, I focused on Bruco, a fast-paced work environment where employees rely heavily on clear communication in order to manage scheduling, responsibilities, and team coordination. I chose this organization because it reflects a realistic setting where a communication plays a really critical role in daily communication and operations. To better understand the communication challenges, I conducted a needs assessment using both a survey and a qualitative interview. From the data, a few key patterns emerged. Employees reported receiving schedules without enough advance notice, experiencing confusion from last minute updates, and relying on multiple communication channels. The interview reinforced these findings, highlighting that communication is often delivered quickly for efficiency, but this can reduce clarity and consistency. Based on these findings, the main communication problem is inconsistent and unclear communication practices, particularly related to scheduling, communication channels, and feedback. This problem matters because it can lead to confusion, frustration, and reduced confidence among employees, which can ultimately impact performance, teamwork, and overall employee experience. In order to address this problem, I developed a communication training program focused on improving clarity, consistency, and supportive communication practices. The training is designed around 5 key learning objectives, including identifying communication breakdowns, applying strategies for clearer communication, demonstrating consistent communication practices, distinguishing between corrective and supportive feedback, and developing clear communication messages. In order to support these objectives, the training introduces structured communication frameworks such as SBI, DESC, Coach, and Boost. These frameworks provide employees and leaders with clear, practical tools in order to deliver feedback and communicate expectations effectively. The training also incorporates interactive activities, including scenario-based practices, message rewriting exercises, and reflection activities. These activities allow participants to actively practice communication skills rather than just learning about them. In addition, the training emphasizes real-world communication by encouraging participants to use consistent communication channels, provide supportive feedback, and implement structured communication strategies during their daily work. Overall, this approach works because it combines research-based frameworks with hands-on practice, making the training both practical and applicable to real-world workplace solutions. To evaluate the effectiveness of the training, a post-training evaluation is included to assess whether learning objectives were met and whether participants feel more confident in their communication skills. Goal is for participants to leave the training with clear strategies they can immediately apply in their own workplace in order to improve communication. So overall, this project demonstrates my ability to assess communication challenges, analyze both qualitative and quantitative data, and design structured, skill-based training solutions. It reflects my ability in order to connect research with real-world application and create training programs that are both practical and impactful. As a communication professional, my goal is to help organizations improve clarity, consistency, and employee experience through effective communication practices.